This video is to demonstrate how to do spot color replacement on a Lexmark device. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have a color, a Pantone color that you want to match. So, you're simply going to match your Pantone color or print out the Pantone color you want to match. So, you'll have a document similar to this right here. Of course, with this Pantone embedded, I have used, this is my test document, I used Pantone 293C, which is a blue. You print that out on the machine, on this paper stock that you want to match on, the color on. You know, oftentimes this is going to come out and be acceptable to you. If it is, obviously you print it out and you go on about your business. But if it isn't quite the right shade that you want and you want to adjust that shade, this demonstration is going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you do is you want to put your IP address of your Lexmark device in a web browser, and then you're going to go to Settings, and it's acting a little bit slow this morning. My machine is, but once you go to Settings, and then you're going to go to Print Settings, Quality menu, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to print out some color samples that are very close, all different shades of this Pantone 293C. And so the first thing you're going to do here is click Color Samples, and you're going to use US CMYK and then go to Detailed Options. So in the Detailed Options, I want to bring back my document here, my PDF. There is a CMYK value for your actual Pantone 293C. You can find these online or in a Pantone swatch packet. You can find those. I happen to have them right here. I wrote them down, and the CMYK for that, I'm going to put in 100. And let me move this over here for a minute. So I'm going to print in 157, 0, and 2. And then I'm going to put the increments I want. But this Pantone color, this is the CMYK value that actually makes the Pantone Color 293C that I had right over here. So that's the mixture that makes this color right here. So, and what I'm printing out is I'm going to print out all these little swatches right here. And you can see, I might make it a little bit bigger so you can definitely see on the video. I'll go to 200%. But you can see here all these different shades of blue. And this is the swatches I'm going to print out. And there's going to be 5, 6, 7 sheets of them depending on what my increment is right here. So the lower my increment is, the closer these shades of blue are going to be. The higher my increment is here, the farther away these shades of blue are going to be. I typically would start out with an increment around probably 2. I would probably use a 2. And then I would go ahead and click Print. Then when I click Print, I actually will get, like I said, 5 or 6 of these sheets with these colors. I'm going to move back down so you can kind of see the whole sheet here. So here's kind of what the sheet looks like. And like I said, right here they have all the CMYK values. So what you do is you're just going to take your document that has this Pantone color embedded in it, and you're going to hold it up to these sheets and pick which color you like the best. Okay, so let's say we like this one right here, which is 985601. 985601. That's the color I think matches my control color the best. So then I am going to go down here with spot color replacement, and I'm going to type in Pantone 293C, just like that. And so what I'm telling the machine is when I see a document that has the Pantone Color 293C in it, instead of using your normal formula, I want you to use the formula that I like, which is the 98, 56, 0, and 1. And then I'm going to submit that. So now, whenever I send that Pantone 293C to it, instead of it using its default, its actual default mixture, it is now going to use, instead of it using the 15702 mixture, it is going to now use the actual mixture that I like, which happens to be the 985601. So that's, in a nutshell, how you use spot color replacement on the Lexmark device. Thank you for viewing.